We're diving into troubleshooting the call to undefined function curl_init error. This frustrating problem pops up when your PHP script tries to use the curl_init function, but PHP can't find it. This usually means the curl extension isn't enabled on your server. Let's break down how to fix this. 1. Verify curl installation. First, you need to confirm if curl is actually installed on your system. You can usually check this via your server's command line interface, CLI, using the command php-m or php-ini. This will list all your PHP extensions. If curl is not in that list, then it is indeed not installed. 2. Enabling the curl extension, if installed. Even if curl is installed, it might not be enabled in your PHP configuration. This is controlled by your php.ini file. Find this file. Its location varies depending on your server setup. It's often in /etc/php/7.4/apache2/php.ini or a similarly named directory, depending on your PHP version and web server. Open it using a text editor and search for the line extension =curl. If you find it, remove the semicolon at the beginning to uncomment the line. This enables the extension. After making the changes, save and restart your web server, like Apache or Nginx, for these changes to take effect. 3. Installing curl, if not installed. If the curl extension isn't listed at all after running php-m, then you need to install it. The method depends on your operating system. On Debian Ubuntu systems and similar Linux distributions, you typically use the command sudo apt-get update and in sudo apt-get install php curl. For CentOS or Hell, it might be sudo yum install php curl. After installation, remember to restart your web server. 4. Checking the right php.in, file location. If you're still facing issues, ensure you're editing the correct php.ini file. PHP might have multiple configuration files. You're looking for the one your web server uses. The command php-ini usually tells you the location of your loaded configuration file. 5. Restarting your web server. This is crucial after any changes to the php.ini file or after installing new extensions. Failure to restart means the changes won't take effect. 6. Server-side restrictions. In rare cases, your hosting provider might have disabled the curl extension for security reasons. If you suspect this, contact your hosting provider's support team. 7. Code errors beyond curl. Finally, double-check your PHP code itself. There could be errors in the way you're using the curl functions, even if curl is correctly installed and enabled. Carefully review your syntax and ensure your curl requests are correctly structured. Following these steps should resolve the call to undefined function curl_init error. Remember to always restart your web server after making configuration